Welcome everybody. My name is Andy and this is Southern Custom Cuts. I am starting my YouTube channel. This is my very first video, so a little intro about me. I am an amateur woodworker. I am not a professional. I don't do this, as my full-time job, but I've really grown a passion for it over the last year and really started making some things around my house. And so as I was watching a number of other YouTubers out there, I decided why not put this stuff on camera and get it out there, and maybe somebody else can learn something from it like I learned from others. So there's a lot of great YouTubers out there that have really kind of inspired me to start this, and so I want to say thank you for that. I also drew a lot of inspiration from my grandfather, who made a lot of the stuff around my grandparents' house. So who knows, maybe I'll have my kiddos in the shop one day, and so it's kind of an exciting time. Maybe I'll help them find their passion in woodworking. I don't know. So anyways, so that's kind of why I'm getting started. In the next little bit, I'm filming some projects. I've got about 20 on my list that I've kind of jotted down, but I am excited to start working on some of them. I've done a few that I've already gotten filmed, and so I'll have those out in the next week or two. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Southern Custom Cuts. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and then notification button down below so that you can keep up to date on everything that's going on. Until next time, I'm Andy, and this is Southern Custom Cuts. I don't even know, I lost my... Actually, I kind of like that last one, that was good.